Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Bunch. Today, the #1 way to keep your roses alive for a longer period. It's all about the water. You don't want any leaves, no foliage, no gunk. Look at this. These have only been in here 24 hours, and it is disgusting. Horrible. If you want your roses to last well, you want to remove all of the foliage. Anything that's going to be below the water line, remove that. Give it a cut, and then place it into a vessel of fresh water with flower food. These roses are going to last so much longer because they have clear, pure water. Now you know the one key thing that you need to do to keep your roses alive.